as you can see over here, in the last 2 days, I have made $204 using completely free traffic. And with this method and why it works is because I'm not just going to show you 1, 2, or 3 traffic methods. I'm going to show you a platform where you can get 30 plus free traffic websites and get over 30 free streams of traffic to your offer to literally get you free commissions like this on a daily basis. You really don't want to miss this one, because these free 30 websites that will give you free traffic, if you think outside the box, you can use this for any sort of offer that you can think of. I'm going to show you 2 examples. I'm going to show you an example of CPA marketing and another one of affiliate marketing, which is the one where I made $204 using these 30 free traffic websites. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here, your no BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on how I make money online every single day, ranging from affiliate marketing to drop shipping, drop servicing, trading as well. So if you want to get an epic video just like this one every single day to your phone, and if you want a personal notification from me, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell on so that I can send you that message to your phone every time I upload like this, so you don't miss out on the latest way on how to make money online. I really love seeing you guys enjoy my content and leaving positivity down below. Also leave a comment down below, and don't forget, at the end of this video I'm going to announce the winner of that drop servicing course giveaway, which is about $2,000 in value that I'm giving away completely for free. Again, if you want to win that in today's video, all you need to do is leave a like, make sure you subscribe, the bell has to be on, and comment down below that you've done so, and I will choose a lucky winner from the comments in the next video and pop them up on the screen and send you that giveaway on Instagram. Without further ado, I'm not going to waste any time. So the first thing I want to show you is this website over here. Now, make sure to keep watching. This is going to make sense as we add this up together. You've probably seen these websites before, so don't click off. It's not just your usual random affiliate marketing, pasting links everywhere. It's something really unique that really converts. So over here, we've got a website called Maxbounty.com, which is a CPA marketing website, meaning you get paid to do specific actions. So if you refer a lead to a giveaway or some kind of sign-up program, you get a commission for every lead that you refer to that. Let me show you an example. So over here on my signed in account of Maxbounty, all you need to do is just click on sign in on the top. And over here, you can click on the search button. You will see different offers over here. So for example, just take a look at this random offer over here. This company over here is doing a $1,000 Visa gift card giveaway. And every time you refer someone to this giveaway, you get $2.40 per lead. So you can literally get paid $2.40 for referring any person, one of your friends on Facebook or WhatsApp or Instagram, to a free $1,000 giveaway. Who doesn't want to sign up for a chance to win $1,000? And you will get $2.40 per person that you refer to that. So click on your offer over here, get the $1,000 Visa gift card. Click on build tracking link over here, click on contextual, and click on raw link over here, and here you'll see is your affiliate link over here. And every time someone clicks on this link, signs up on this free Visa gift card giveaway page over here, all they need to do is enter yes, they want to sign up, their name and email. They will then get notified via email if they've won or not. And secondly, come over to clickbank.com, sign up on the top right, or log in if you have an existing account. On the top of your page, click on marketplace, and you'll be prompted with a whole bunch of different categories over here. I recommend go and choose anything in the e-business and e-marketing niche. Again, anything about making money online. And over here, you can see so many various different products and courses and services that teach people how to make money online. So over here is an affiliate product where people can get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Now, every time you refer someone to this job opportunity, you will get paid $33.83. So what we're gonna do is we can just use this product over here, and I'm going to go around, use these 30 free traffic methods to offer people the opportunity to make money with Facebook, Google, and YouTube. And I will get paid $33 every person I refer to this. So if you click on the link of this affiliate offer and open it in a new tab, it will open up this quiz page over here where you can see online social media jobs that pay $25 to $50 per hour, no experience required, and you can work at home. So this is just a quick 1-minute quiz to find out what kind of social media job you would like as a person, just to kind of knuckle down your niche to maybe find something that you're more passionate about. And every time you refer someone to this and they take an online job, you get $33 commission, which is so easy to do. Because not only are you giving people the opportunity to make money, you're also making money yourself through the affiliate program. So it's a win-win for everybody who takes part in this. And thirdly, before we continue, make sure to keep watching because I'm still going to reveal those 30 free websites. I'm going to show you one of them, and then I'm going to show you how to link up this first one to all 30 of those others to 30 times your traffic and potentially 30 times your income. So you want to come over to this website over here. I'm going to reveal this just in a bit, but make sure to keep watching. So this over here is basically a very well-known free classified ad website where people come over here all the time to look for job opportunities, to look for cars, for rentals, real estate, and much more over here, to office space, dogs, cats, services, community projects, anything that you can think of. The category that we're going to use is jobs over here. So what you want to do is you want to click on the post button on the top right of this website. I'm going to show you this website right now. Just make sure to keep watching, and you need to sign in with your email or your password. I'm just going to log in with my Facebook account. You'll see when you sign up, it's going to ask you for your home location. Don't worry if your country's not here, just select United States by the default. For the city or zip code, I suggest go and use a address generator. So just go use US address generator and click on enter, and over here you click on the first link, USA fake address generator, and you can go and copy this zip or postal code over here, come back to this website and paste this over here. And for your email, you just want to type your email and your password and continue. And once you've signed in, you'll be able to post on this website. But before we continue, I just quickly want to show you a background check of this website. Always important to do that. So if you come over to similarweb.com, search this website called oodle.com on SimilarWeb. So you just put in the website name over here and it will give you a background check on this website. So let's type in oodle.com and click on the drop down website over here. And over here you can see this website is currently in the top 25,000 websites in the world. Now if you think about it, there's over millions and millions of websites. To be in the top 25,000, it's a pretty good website, and it's currently in the top 4,700 in the United States and number 47 in its category. And over here, if you look at this website is getting 2.15 million views every single month and going up every single month. And the most important part, 90% of the traffic that visits this website is from the United States. That's why it's important when I show you to sign up, choose United States so that your ads will only show in the United States. So that's going to continue with our next step. Come back to oodle.com, click on post on the top right over here. It's going to load with what are you posting, a description, and add a photo. Now this is the best part. You can come over to this landing page over here that we clicked on earlier, copy this as your title, as easy as that. Come back to Oodle over here, and paste your title just at the top like this. For the description, you want to come back to the job quiz page over here, and you want to see, just copy this as a description. Take a 1-minute quiz to find out what type of social media job you are best suited to. Back to Oodle, paste this over here, click on enter, and what you want to do is come back to Clickbank over here. You want to now grab your affiliate link, so click on promote, click on generate hot links over here, copy your hot link, come back to bit.ly, which is just a simple URL shortener to make the link more tidy. Click on create on the top right, paste your long URL over here, click on create again at the bottom right, and it will generate your short link over here that you can copy. Come back to Oodle and just paste your link over here just like this. For your price, you can just select free over here. If you want to get a photo for this ad, which I recommend you do, if you come back to Clickbank and you click on the affiliates page link over here, they usually give you tons of resources such as images, banners that you can use, and all sorts of landing pages as well, even email links over here. And this is actually a perfect banner over here. So let's open this banner in a new tab. So over here, you can see various different banner packages over here. So let's go and use this first one over here. Just click on the banner package 1, click here to download. And over here, we can see this is the banner zip folder that we have now downloaded. Just right click on it, click on extract here, and it will load up all the images. Just click on, I think, retina pictures over here. And here you can see the perfect image for your ad over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back to Oodle, click on add photo over here, come back to the folder where we've downloaded these images, and just select this image 1200 by 628 image. Click on open over here and click on post over here. When you're done, it will then just quickly confirm you to log in. And once you've posted your ad, you can see over here, this is what your advert's going to look like. Online social media jobs that pay $25 to $50 an hour, no experience required. This is something clickable. A lot of people are going to click on this. They see an opportunity to make money online with Facebook and social media. Everyone uses social media every day, so it will intrigue people's interest when they can see how to actually make money with it. And over here, if you look at my ads specifically, you've got my description over here, take a 1-minute quiz, and you've got my affiliate link over here. This is the link that is going to generate you all of these commissions. Now, this is the little trick or hack where you can go and replicate this times 30 on over 30 different websites like this to 30 times your traffic, clicks, and sales. So over here, if you come over to this website called sitelike.org and you type in oodle.com on the search bar and you click on enter, if you scroll down, it will recommend to you over here. If I scroll down, I counted close to 70 actually, so not 30, 70 similar websites to oodle.com. So you can go and click on hoobly.com, you can go and click on class.org, classifiedads.com, americanlisted.com, globalfreeclassifiedads.com, adsglobe, puppyfinder, adpost, classifiedadsforme.com, and you can go and click on all of these websites and replicate this ad on all 70 of these websites. And you can go and post this ad in all of the states in the US and not only in one state. So you can have 10 ads on one website. So if you have 10 ads on all 70 of these websites, that's over 700 ads getting you free traffic, free clicks, free sales off of these 700 different ads. And these ads remain valid for up to 30 days. So that means you can literally earn passive income for 30 days and then you'll need to repost these ads. You can go and do this for different categories, for different products, for different niches on these different websites and make money on multiple products at the same time. But I just quickly want to announce the winner of that Drop Servicing University program. So this person over here is the lucky winner of that giveaway. So all you need to do is click on my Instagram link in the description, follow me there, send me a message and I'll sort out your giveaway over there. Don't forget about today's giveaway again, just to remind you, leave a like, comment down below you're ready, and you have to be subscribed with the bell on, and I will choose a lucky giveaway in tomorrow's video. And I'm going to leave a free YouTube course over here on the screen that I've created for you guys. It's literally probably a $300 course that I've left here on YouTube for free over the best videos I've made over the last year on how you can sell rare high income skills and services. Instead of affiliate products, now you're selling rare high income skills and services that pay hundreds to thousands of dollars per sale with various similar strategies like this, with your own landing pages, with own free and paid traffic methods. So make sure to click on those playlists over here. You will find tons of value over here, and I'll see you over there.